Hi boys and girls, today we're going to revisit the sounds that the letter A can make. But before we do that, let's warm up a little bit, and guess who's here to help us warm up?
It's me. I'm back.
Very good, Leo. Today we're going to play a game. I'm going to say a word and then ask you what the first sound is, and then we're going to change the first sound.
Okie doke.
Alright, so the first word is mute.
Mute.
Take away the M and add a K sound. What's the new word?
Cute. Cute.
You got it. Let's do some more. Can you say the word muse?
Muse.
Take away the first sound and add a
Fuse. Fuse.
You got it. Good. How about say the word hope? Boys and girls, say it with Leo.
Hope.
What's the first sound? Take away the and add a
Rope.
You're doing great, Leo. All right, try to say this word. Rose.
Rose.
What's the first sound you hear? Good. Take away the and add a
O's.
What's the word?
Pose.
And one more. The word is rate.
Rate.
What's the first sound? Change the to a d.
Eight. Date.
You did really well, Leo.
Thank you very much. Can we do some dancing?
Not yet, Leo. Because now, Leo, we are going to read some big words, okay? So, boys and girls, I have our blue pocket chart here today with me, okay? And we are going to read some words on there. These might look pretty big to you. I want you to look at this bottom word first. The word is swing. Swing. Now I want you to take away that first sound and tell me what is left. Wing. Very good. Let's do the next one. The word is tape. Can you say tape? Tape. Take away the first sound. What's left? Ape. Ape. Excellent. Let's do another one. The word is spoke. Can you say spoke? Now take away that first sound. And the word is oak. Poke. Excellent. Let me turn this around. And we've got some more. The word is neat. Can you say neat? Neat. Take away the n, and what's left? Eat. Notice when the two vowels are walking, just the first one does the talking. So the A is quiet. Eat. Let's look at another word here. Trip. Trip. Take away the first sound. What's left? Rip. Excellent. And one more. The word is span. Span. Take away this, if it'll come here. And what word is left? Pan. Excellent, boys and girls. Well, today we're going to look at a video you might remember from a while back. And this is the short A video.
Lamb. I'm Pan the lamb, I am. This is how I tell my mommy where I am. I'm Pan the lamb, I am. This is how I tell my daddy where I am. I'm Pam the lamb, I am. That young ram is my brother Sam. This is how I tell my brother where I am. I'm Pam the lamb. I'm happy where I am. Help me tell my family where I am.
Excellent. Can you say ah? I have today the letter A, plant holder, right there. And we're going to add some plants, some flowers to this plant holder. We're going to start by reading the first a word. Let's put the sounds together. M, a, p. Map. Excellent. I'll put that in our holder here. And there's a picture. Let's read another one. V, a, n. Van. Let's see if we're right. Oh, yes, we are. I can add that one too. All right, let's get another flower. Ha, ha, at. The word is hat. Excellent. Let's see if we got it. Yes, we did. I will add that to our flowers then. We're making a beautiful bouquet here. All right, we have another one. Cat. Cat. Most excellent, boys and girls. We're going to put that one there. I knew you knew that one. And then the last one here. Bag. Bag. And look at the beautiful bouquet of flowers that you made with those A words. Now there is another sound that the A makes. It also says A. I want you to listen to this.
Long A. Long A plays on a windy day. She sails on the lake. When Long A chases waves, what does she say? A, A, A. Long A plays on a sunny day. She skates along the trail. When Long A sees a snake, what does she say? A, A, A. Long A plays on a rainy day. She creates a new game. When Long A pretends to be a plane, what does she say? A, A, A.
Excellent. So we're going to plant some more flowers, and these flowers are going to have the long A sound. So let's read our first flower. Well, we know C says K. There's that magic E. K. K. Cake. Let's see. Oh, I think Caitlin and Rhea, you girls would like some cake, wouldn't you guys? All right, I'm going to put that there. All right, how about here? What does G say? G, A, gate, gate. Got it. I'll add it to our flowers. You guys are doing a good job filling up those flowers today. Filling up my vase today, or my pot. All right, here's another one. Ooh, V, vase, vase. Go ahead and put that into our flower pot too. It's looking very pretty. Now here comes some trickier ones. There's two vowels that are walking, and the first one does the talking. The second one stays quiet. So we have n, a, o, nail, nail. Let's see. You read it, boys and girls. Good job. I think we only have room for one more flower in my cup. Let's try this one. Oh, two vowels are walking. The first one does the talking. Tail, tail. That's right, tail. That's our last flower in our vase. You have read 5 different words with a long A sound. So today, to help you remember the 2 different sounds that the A makes, you're going to take out your red workbook and you're going to work independently on page 62 and 63. And you're going to practice listening for long A's on page 62, and you're going to write your 10s on page 63. Remember, always put your full name at the top. It's good practice for you. Start with a capital and put a space between your first and your last name.